Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Anissa here, and if you're new to this channel, hit subscribe already to be a part of the tribe. I know you're gonna have a lot of fun because we do some glamorous stuff with the Glam Tribe here. So if you are a subscriber, thank you for returning and hanging out with me. We're gonna have tons of fun as always here because we are doing look number 2 with the PatrickStarrr matte collaboration in the Me So Fleek kit, and we're also doing a giveaway. Oh, you thought I wasn't going to ever do a giveaway. So a subscriber had commented on one of my videos asking to do a giveaway. At the time, I couldn't really figure out what it was to be cost effective for me because it is self-sponsored, but I figured this will give you 4 pieces and it's something that I'm currently using on this channel, and I would really love the opportunity to give back to you all as my subscribers and, you know, just have some fun on here. Maybe you can't get your hands on this, whether availability or affordability. So this is just a gift from me to my subscribers as a token of my appreciation and saying just thank you. Now, if you haven't seen look number 1, make sure you do. I'm gonna link that video on the screen right now for the first look that I created with this kit. But before we get into the glam, let's talk about the rules of the contest. So how do you enter? Okay, so you have to be a subscriber and you need to comment on what you like the most about this makeup look down below in the comment boxes. So the other part of this giveaway is that you need to be 18 years or older and also in the United States. I'm not doing an international contest yet. We may down the road. We're starting a little bit smaller and branching out, kind of the theme of this channel. Kind of a small start and branching out. So the giveaway will close on May 15th and the announcement for the winner will be done by May 20th. This could be yours. In the announcement video, I'll give you instructions on how to contact me so I can get your shipping information and get your kit out to you all. But I'm so excited to do this. I'm so excited to create this glam today. So let's get into the tutorial. For this look, we're going to start with this All's Rosy as the transition color. If you don't have this palette, you could just use like a mauve shade. So I'm using a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush to buff this in. So I'm just doing windshield wiper motions. And then I'm going to do little small circles just in the areas where I know we need to work out the blending a little bit more. So it should be like so. So this rose gold shade from Makeup Revolution is actually going to be my highlighter today. Now I'm just going to take my highlighting brush and lightly brush that right underneath the brow. I'm going to pick up the color lighter to it and then just use that to pop right underneath the brow. If you feel like you lost that bit of definition for the transition, you can just buff some more back in and blend it into the highlighter. So next I'm picking up in Living Pink and popping that onto the lid with the Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush. I'm just packing that on like so. This can overlap that transition color as well, so don't be afraid. We're gonna blend the crease and that color together without adding any additional product or color to that first crease blending brush. Now we're gonna be using the color Hickey just to pop on the outer corner of the eye. I'm using just a domed blending brush. This is the Morphe E22, just to pop that into the outer corner, like so. I like to open up my eyes just to make sure it's going to look the way I want it to look. You can fade it a little more in, but you don't want to really take it past the center of your eye. So like right here, you don't want to go anywhere with that color over there. We're going to make sure we're all blended one last time with these colors. And you can really do more of a stippling blend with this into your transition. So I'm going to go in with a plum colored eyeliner. This is Alkaline from Urban Decay. It was a limited edition, but like anything like this will do. So it doesn't have to be this. It just needs to be like a plum. And we're going to just line the whole thing. It doesn't have to be perfectly neat, and you'll see why. Definitely getting into my wrinkles. Gotta love it. Then we're gonna just blend this bad boy out a bit. So we're gonna pick up a light bit of the shade Hickey with this like little fluffy blending brush. This is one is discontinued because it's a NARS 12, but like even if you use a smudger brush, you can do this. Just be light-handed, and we're just gonna dust that underneath where we put that liner. Now we're gonna run in the shadows underneath as well. This should pop up a little bit more strongly. And we're really going to be concentrating that on the outside. Then taking a liner brush, I'm going to really make sure I pack in that color. Picking up that smaller blending brush, we're going to make sure we get this all together, all the way together. So I'm running a little bit of Hickey over this just to work with the blue, like that in the shadows color a little bit more. So I'm gonna pop on these Demi Wispies off camera. Don't mind the ratchetness here, but I will be right back. So this is a Take Me Home blush duo. I'm just gonna swirl it all together, tap off some excess, smile, and pop this right onto the cheeks just for a little bit of color. I really don't want too much happening today on the cheeks. Now for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Glow 2. I'm always like, you guys, these names, man, I always have to read them. But this palette, I believe, is like, I don't remember how much it was. But I know it's under 20 bucks, but you get a lot of different shades of highlighter. Like something pearl like this, I usually just use in the inner corners. But I'm going to be using this today on my highlight. So earlier in this tutorial, I was working with these two colors. We're going to continue the same thing on to the high points of the cheekbones and other high areas of the face. So picking up the two highlighter shades, just bouncing it back and forth with my Morphe M501 brush. I'm just going to be working with this on the high points of the cheeks just to build up that intensity very lightly. I'm just doing it super light-handed, just in the areas that I want to highlight. And because we don't want the highlight to be aggressive, my lashes feel really aggressive today because, yeah, you know these wispies, like you get one little bit of glue outside of where the glue is supposed to go and then all of a sudden your lash is like ruined, but you know, that's life, I guess. Then we're gonna mist the face down. Okay, so the lip combo I've just been into lately, like I said, I like pink lip colors. However, I just get in moods where I'm liking nudes or more moody and neutral colors. But this is what I've been doing. So I'm going to take the Whirl lip liner again and just go over my entire lips. Oh, that's sore. That's embarrassing. Wait, where's Whirl? Now we're taking the Whirl lip liner and going all over the lips. Then I'm going in with Cork lip liner and I'm just gonna like define and contour the lips a little bit. Then I'm just going to take some highlight on the back of my finger and go right there. Then go on with the Whirl lipstick. This one's a matte. Now to gloss it up, I've just been loving the Strictly Vinyl lip glosses from NYX. I'm obsessed with them. Like, I picked up another color. This one is the Sugar Mama color. It's like a light nude, and I'm just gonna pounce that onto the lips. So, and then blot. Like, I love it. It's my jam. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's look and excited to try it out yourself, especially if you end up winning this bad boy. Don't forget to enter into the contest. I said all the rules at the beginning, but just a quick recap. You need to be a subscriber, comment down on what you like the most about this tutorial, be 18 years or older and in the United States, and I'll announce the winner by May 20th. The giveaway will close on May 15th. I really am excited to start diving into doing more looks with palettes that I'm featuring, so it's not like a one and done, like love it so much and then you never see the palette again on this channel. So if you like that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know this is the type of content that you all would like to see. Again, I have so much fun playing the makeup. That's why I started this channel. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.